6.0 Power Stroke high pressure oil system. I've been doing an engine swap if you've been following my page. But while I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and do all the O-rings and my my oil rail. They call this, some people call it the nipple rail ball valve, something like that. But I do all the O-rings in this, and I'm going to do all my O-rings in my injectors while I'm in here. So I want to walk y'all through what happens here. This is your stand pipe right here. This is an early 03 model. It doesn't have dummy plugs. But this stand pipe, when you take this little flexible tube off right here, anything with this flexible tube does not have dummy plugs. You don't have to worry about it. But you want to take this loose from each side so you can get your oil rail out and so you can get that stand pipe out. Those stand pipes, the O-rings on them, they're a notorious known spot for leaks. While you're in here, do all these because they're cheap. You don't want to have to take this part again. As you see, I had to take the whole cab off. Of course, I was doing a motor swap, but that's why I'm doing this while I'm in here, because I don't want to come back in here and have to do this again. But there's going to be O-rings on the bottom of these things.